all the way to snow, all the way to west, go to the moving the east. Stay tuned. Extreme weather over here. We're going to talk about a massive snowstorm. It's going to all the way to the west, all the way to maybe the east in the city. The What I was going to talk about the snowmaker. I was talking about this little snow over here. It was going to moving the west all the way to the east. We're going to check about that on the weather models. We're going to do that right now. This is the snowstorm on the west. It's eventually moving all the way to the east. But soon, like around tomorrow at around 7 p.m. tonight, but tomorrow at 11 p.m. but it's still maybe around, yeah, tomorrow at 7 a.m. it should look like this on the west round Rockies region. And also by the state, by the Texas, there's a chance for those thunderstorms and head towards their states, moving over there. But that state is still going on over time. Going look at how much this thunderstorm is going to begin at 1 a.m. to social time. It's just going to bring a little bit cape, but there's a lot of dew points. Snow over time. There's a lot, around 60 or 70 Fahrenheit, and it's eventually a very dry additional regional level. The material is going to moving away, then the GPS, or also the MC, it shows the cold air better picture. That good moist air feeding those thunderstorms overnight at 5 p.m. At 8 there was lots of energy, but when the cooler air moving worse over day and a day out, but there's a chance for that very cold air. Let me easily explain for that. The temperature is what it is going on over the day and day out with a very warm air in over Texas. That Texas is over day and also, but it is cold air. Just eventually leak out the warm air. Shuts on and with a massive very colder air. It's very interesting about that warm air and cold air. Even more longer than that, it is going to be very interesting how long this cold air play out at November 28th at 1 p.m. Very warm air on the west, very cold air moving in. All that cold air is producing a lot of snow. Means let's check out how much small models are going predicting the snow layers it is on that winter scale. This is the small low snow system moving all the west and all the way to the east. It was producing in 2 days. Look like this, how much snow. A little bit on the west. If a little bit more longer than that, precipitation will going to show a little bit more heavier precipitation of the snow, and also going to be much more flooding impacted by that region. If the GPS model, if it more longer precipitation for that longer hours for like 3 hours is a lot of difference for the snow event, but everything easily could be wrong when it's closer. This was the 10 days forecast for the snow region. It's going to get very more snow all the way to the west, but maybe around Pennsylvania still not snow, but maybe around Colorado is a little bit more snow chances is on and on. That's the small model shows right now about that snow event. It shows a lot of it for the days for snow totals for all the way to 10 days. It shows a lot, maybe a little bit close to Maryland about that snow. And also, but by the other precipitation by rain, it's going to be a little bit more shown in the test. This is 1 hour in the MC model, and I will show you the rest. Show it very long track about that rain event. It's producing much more on and on. Still going to play outwards with the snow. It means a lot for us, for the snow or the rain, just going moving all the way to Texas. The rain caused a lot of flooding. I just so for you guys for repeating that snow and rain. For I was worried about chance for like flooding and for that snow, but that 6 days total for that it showed a lot of moisture. That's low moving upwards. That's feeding that temperature, and it was a little bit warmer and producing those thunderstorms, producing chance for a little bit flooding as well. Show you those thunderstorms, better picture of it on the MC model about the lightning flashes. Those lightning flashes producing a lot at 1 a.m. Those could be not severe, but could be there. Those producing a little bit small hail as well overnight. But I'm not going to be live streaming because I'm going to sleep as well. This is Extreme Weather Alley here. Hopefully you subscribe and comment and a like. This is outro.